You're watching the Daily Market Comment by Marios Hadjikyriacos. I'm Maria Pachordis. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. All eyes will be on the European Central Bank today, which concludes its policy meeting at 12:45 GMT. No action is expected, so the euro will take its cue from any notable comments by President Lagarde when she hosts a press conference at 13:30 GMT. The dark clouds hanging over the euro area economy have cleared somewhat, with recent PMI surveys finally pointing to a stabilization in growth after a colossal slowdown, partly thanks to fading Brexit and trade war risks. However, growth has stabilized at a very low level, so there isn't much to celebrate either. Meanwhile, the manufacturing sector is still in contraction, and there's always a risk the U.S. imposes tariffs on European cars, pouring gasoline on the fire. All this argues for no changes in policy or tone today, with the ECB set to keep its easing bias firmly in place. If there is any change, it might be towards a slightly more upbeat narrative, given the minor improvement in the data and fewer global tail risks. Even in that case, though, any upside reaction in the euro is unlikely to be large, as the ECB won't make any material shifts without clear and sustained improvement in the data. The Bank of Canada kept rates unchanged yesterday, but adopted a more dovish tone, stressing that growth has been weaker than expected lately, and that if this persists, then a rate cut might be in order. The loonie plunged and continues to retreat today as investors scramble to reprice the path of monetary policy. Asian stocks are a sea of red today after Chinese authorities locked down the city of Wuhan, the epicenter of the coronavirus, to stop the spread of the deadly outbreak. China's CSI 300 index fell more than 3%. Meanwhile, the defensive yen is also firmer as investors try to gauge the potential fallout from this virus, particularly on Chinese holiday spending and first quarter growth, and justifiably play some defense. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.